How to log out YouTube Google account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can log out YouTube from your Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out your Google account from the YouTube app, you can do that from if you're an iOS user. But if you're an Android user, your YouTube application runs because of Google, your Google runs because of your Android, and your Android runs because of Google. So basically, if you want to remove your Google from YouTube, you have to remove the Google from your device, only for Android users. But if you're an iOS user like me, then it definitely means that you have your Apple ID to run your device, so which means that you don't necessarily need to have a Google account, which also means that you can use YouTube without your Google account unless you want to make a like or create a comment or something like that. To do this, all you have to do is just go ahead and open up YouTube over here. Once you open YouTube, just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and as you can see, currently I'm logged into one of my Google account. So if I just tap on this Google account icon from the top of my iPhone, then over here you'll see this option. So if I don't want to use Google account on my YouTube, then I'll just select the option called use YouTube signed out, which is at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, just tap on that option, and as you tap on that, your YouTube account will be successfully signed out. And as you can see, I'm not signed into my Google account. And this is basically how you can log out of YouTube from your Google account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.